It's at 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is running. All these
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks.
What is good, babes? Welcome back to the channel. I have so many wigs that I need to review for you ladies and gents. Okay, so let's get into the details. In the package, it comes with a flyer, your wig caps, your unit of choice, including your edge brush, your elastic band, and I absolutely love this edge brush because the fact that you can change the brush out anytime it gets dirty. Child, that is so smart. I like that. They gonna always give you what you need, and their packaging is always gonna eat every time. All right, so enough with all the chit chat. Let's get into the details of this unit. This is UNICE Silk Straight Pre-Everything Frontal Wig, and she is like a 13x4 ear by ear. The wig came pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I mean pre-everything, child, and it's given wet lace. She's also 100% glueless, and she is beginner friendly. It comes with 2 tapes on the side tabs where you just press down. And by the way, I have worn this before. I actually worn this wig during Christmas and New Year's, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to rock this wig. It's just like 1, 2, 3 easy pee. Okay, so just put on the wig. You're gonna put the elastic band behind your head, just boom, drop the back of the wig, and voila. Look how natural that look. You cannot tell me that do not look like my actual hair coming out my own doggone scalp. Like, girl, be so for real. So I'm just taking a bit of my lace spray, and I'm just gonna spray it near the tabs. It actually sticks on a lot better with the tape and adhesive spray. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that, put the wig down, and just kind of comb the lace into my skin. Add some pressure, and then just do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm just going to take my elastic band and just have the band on for a couple of minutes. Make sure that lace melts down like it's supposed to. And I'm just going to add a little bit of heat to the wig, you know, just to give it that bone straight look, because I did have the wig just kind of lying around to the side. So yeah, sit back and relax and enjoy the video. I want to style this wig up, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this segment, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you're interested in the wig that I am wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, yeah, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space.
So I am back with the finished results, and child, this bust down 24-inch middle part is giving what it needs to give. Can I just start off by saying, look at the lace? Like, what lace? Period. Like, it's giving straight up scalp for real. This is the most natural looking lace front unit I've had in a very long time, and UNICE, y'all never fail me. I love me a good HD lace, and the hair, girl, it feels so soft, okay? The wig is 100% beginner friendly, child. I did not have to do not a single work to this wig, and I love wigs like that, honey. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to